Literally haven't talked to you in ages. I should truly be ashamed of myself. Shit. Excuse my language. Right off the bat. I am in Jacksonville, Florida. I am getting my I'm getting my TV set up, and then I'm gonna put on my bathing suit and we're headed to the pool, okay? So that's that. I don't know what this vlog is going to consist of, but I know I haven't vlogged in a while. I've been fiending to vlog, so here we are. We're doing it. I just had one leg from Dallas up to Jacksonville, or down to Jacksonville, I should say, and little South Park action. Yeah, I haven't been doing layovers, so that also contributes to my not vlogging. I just haven't been doing anything. But let me show you the view. So cute. It's a long layover, so I'm in a better area than I normally would be. Also, follow my TikTok if you're not. It is mskellibaby92, and my Instagram, which is mskellibaby. That's it, period. No 92. But I'm way more active over there, and I'm always sharing like my little trips, even if I don't go anywhere, even if it's boring, more so than on YouTube. So if you're interested in me and you want to keep up with me, head on over there. And then all the things I love, my travel essentials, just my everyday lifestyle type of things. I have an Amazon storefront. I'm gonna link that down below. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna be a better, I don't like the word influencer. I feel like all influencers say that, but I'm a content creator, and if you don't want to buy anything from me, I'm not trying to influence you to do anything but be a good person and have a happy, healthy life. So period. Let's go to the pool. All right, we are ready for the pool. I have been so into one pieces lately, and this one is so cute. It's so sleek. It looks like a bodysuit. Like, you could wear this out. Truly, you could. I took the pads out because I hate the way they feel and they always get jumbled up. So it makes your chi-chis look good too. That just has some shorts on with it, and yeah, just a little cheeky one piece. Love that for us. Leaving my necklaces on. I'm gonna put some sunscreen on. I'm probably just gonna take it with me upstairs, which the pool is upstairs. I got a little snack I'm gonna take because I haven't eaten today. And then I just have on my purple Birkenstocks, which they're so grassy. I don't know if you can see it. Like, I haven't worn these in a while, but I'm like, where the heck did I go in these last? Why is there grass everywhere? Lighting is horrendous in here, but yeah, we ball. We're about to head to the pool, so see you there. Sierra.
Hi, Jacksonville.
Y'all know Sierra. We made it to the pool. I'm in the shade. I am tanned out. I've gotten me a nice good tan for the summer. Good to go. We got snackies.
I honestly feel pretty dark for myself too.
Yeah, I feel like you look tan.
You can always be tanner.
Yeah, I mean, it'll go away.
I just love a natural blush on my face, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I like being sun-kissed. I got my books.
Oh, good. Oh, I forgot my books.
Do you wanna,
I
brought
might have,
cards.
I'm about to go back to the room. Like, I mean, like, just to grab something.
Oh, what'd you forget?
My Kindle and my sunshades, which I want.
Oh, yeah, you need those.
Yeah. But anyways, okay, I got these. I had never seen these before.
They look good.
And Sargento, that's my favorite brand of cheese.
Nice.
So we got some Sargento cheese baked Parmesan and oregano to go with our caramelized onion dip.
Good dip. Nice.
Love this stuff. So you have to try that. You'll love it.
I almost splurged and bought this onion bacon dip from Aldi,
Ooh.
but I didn't. You got good snacks.
I forgot I had brought this. A little Hillshire protein pack. So, and then let's see what Sierra brought. Oh.
Okay. I got pico de gallo and these little Frito things from Trader Joe's.
Oh yeah, are those the elotes?
Yeah.
Oh, those
I think
are
that's
so
what
good.
they're called.
Oh, are those?
No,
the,
these are just the corn
the
chips.
regular ones.
I
Those
didn't
are
buy
good
the
too,
corn chip one, or the elote ones because I was like, I don't know how it'll be with the pico.
Oh yes, I was gonna ask if you brought a speaker. She
Got
brought
a
her
speaker.
speaker.
I brought Domino's too and cards.
Damn, you stacked.
And then I brought apples, grapes, and then the M&Ms and the beef
stick. We're gonna have us a little pool picnic. So we're all ready for our pool day, but I'm gonna run and grab my candle and my sunshades. I'll be right back. BRB. Ah, that's the stuff. That's more like it. Oh, you can't see me. Got my shades and I got my Kindles. Ooh, smack myself.
Hot mess.
Hot mess express. Period. Okay. Now I'm about to break into this snacks. I'm hungry.
Can I try this? You're dipping it in the...
Yes, I will.
I feel like this would even be good on its own. Oops.
Yeah, they are good on their own too. I eat this dip with so many things, like so good.
Yeah, that's good.
You can dip your Fritos in here too.
I have to figure it out for...
I don't know if I even showed you the pool.
I'm not ugly here.
Yeah, it's not like super sunny, but I'm actually okay with that.
I meant just like out there.
Oh, like the view?
It's not a pretty city.
Yeah. It is hot AF. So I'm back in the shade. Well, I've made shade. You can't see me, but I'm reading my book. We got in the pool for a little bit, but I didn't bring you guys over there because there's no like where to sit, and I didn't want to risk dropping you. So, but now we're just chilling in the chair. All right, I'm back from the pool. I think we got a tan. Let's see. Yeah, we did. Cute. Well, I should get a shirt like this. This is cute, huh? Ooh, I like that. I built a card on Fashion Nova, but I haven't checked out yet, so maybe I'll look for a shirt like this. I saw a dress like this. Yeah, it's cute. Okay, anyways. Also zoomed in, sorry. Woo! I put my hair up in a ponytail. I need to take these braids out. They're getting like fuzzy and I hate that look, but for now, I actually like the ponytail. That's cute. Woo! When I say it was so hot out there, like I was like, I gotta come in. Sierra stayed out there, but I'm hungry. And I think we're gonna go to the gym, possibly. Definitely need to go to the gym, so. Off topic, but Barnes & Noble is having a book sale. If you're a reader like me, they are having 50% off hardcovers until September 1st. And it is currently August 15th. So you should be seeing this well before September 1st. So if you want to read and you have your eye on some books, some hardcover books, head on over to Barnes & Noble. And 50 Cent made a book. I didn't know that. I literally was just browsing Barnes & Noble and I saw that he made a fiction novel. And I mean, if you watch any of the Power universe, all that, you know he is a genius. You can say what you want about him. I wouldn't want to make an enemy out of him. But as far as like how his mind works and his storytelling is so good. So I'm going to pick that book up. I want to see what it's about. I'm currently reading... It's called Homemaker, a Prairie Nightingale Mystery. I think that's what it's called. And I can't decide if I like it or not. I keep going back between like, oh, I'm going to DNF this book. Or, you know, I'm just going to push through. Right now I'm in my push through phase. And I only have like maybe 100 pages left. So I'm like, just finish it. But like it captured me at first. And then it didn't. Like some of the storytelling, it's kind of hard for me to stick with. Like I don't know what you're talking about. Some of the times that's my thoughts, like where are we, what are we talking about right now? But anyway, and then I gave audiobook another shot, and let me tell you, that's just not for me. Like I just cannot focus on the audiobook. I literally caught myself singing. Like I had zoned out of the audiobook and I was just singing out loud to myself while the audiobook is playing. I'm like, okay, Kelly, that's ridiculous. So that's that. But yeah, I'm about to just chill. I'm not going to shower yet. I have 2 beds. I'm going to lay on the one that I'm not going to use because if I shower, it's over. But if I don't shower, then I can still probably go to the gym. So that's where we are with things. It's hard to see. Like after, you know, you're in the sun, it's like hard to see. So I'm like, I feel like I'm like. But anyways, I'm about to neglect y'all for a second and make a TikTok. But I'll definitely pick y'all back up. I'm back from the gym and I had a really good workout. I didn't want to do too much because the last few times I went to the gym and I was like getting it in, felt like I was going to pass out. And I was at home, so I was in good hands. But here, I mean, I don't want to pass out anywhere, but if I'm going to, I want it to be at home. But yeah, that's what I got going on. I'm proud of myself. I got up so early this morning. My alarm went off at 5. I had to be at my gate by 7:45. We only had one flight, so that does help. I'll say that. But went to the pool, laid out, went to the gym. I'm going to shower. What time is it? It's 3:44. So honestly, I haven't eaten anything today. I ate the snacks at the pool. That's literally all I've had. I have the pasta. Did I show you the pasta? Let me show you the pasta. I don't even know if I told y'all what I packed. Anyways. Oh, I'll probably eat this for a little snack for now. It's like a little protein plate from Hillshire. See, it's 16 grams of protein. It has pepperoni, cheese, and little crackers. So probably eat that to hold me over. And then I made pasta last night, so I brought some with me. It's protein pasta, if you're familiar. I love buying that. It tastes exactly like regular noodles, and it's protein. So can't beat it. I put broccoli and chicken, and I made like an Alfredo sauce. I love doing that. I can't even eat Alfredo sauce out of the jar anymore after I started making it. Like, it just does not taste good to me. So I just do heavy whipping cream, you know, season it up, whatever, and then put Parmesan cheese. So good. And then I also use this sauce I got from Frankfurt. I showed in my Frankfurt vlog. I can't remember. I want to say it's like calabrese. I know it has a little pepper on it. Is that a pepper? I don't know. I have to look it up once. Well, my phone's over there, so I can't do it right now. But yeah, and it has a little kick to it, so it's so good. I just put like a little dollop in there. Made that. And yeah. We got early morning tomorrow. Tomorrow we go from Jacksonville to Newark. Newark, we just head down to Dulles. And I'm home by noon. I don't know if I told y'all that either. My TikTok world and YouTube world kind of collide sometimes when I'm doing them on the same day. I definitely prefer YouTube though. I truly prefer you guys. Like, you guys are my community. I love talking to y'all and being myself over here. It's just harder to put out videos because I don't be knowing if y'all are interested in my everyday life. Like, if I don't have layovers, it's really boring to vlog a one-day trip because I really can't vlog anything. I can't vlog on the plane much, you know? Like, I can do before passengers, after passengers, but I just feel like that's kind of, y'all don't want to see that. But when I do stuff around my home, I can take you with me. I just don't know if you're interested. You know? Yeah. And I know y'all told me you like when I talk books. I love to talk books, so I can certainly do that. Like I told you, I'm reading Prairie Nightingale. I don't know I need to start like planning my TBR. I don't know. I don't go like, oh, this for sure I'm going to read next. Sometimes I'll have in my mind like, oh, after I finish this, I want to read this, but then it can change. Like, I'll look at my list and be like, actually, I want to read this. Or I'll go on Libby, you know, the free app where you can read books on your phone or device, whatever you have. And I'll see they have like skip the line. So like really in demand books, sometimes you'll just get a skip the line. Like, you don't have to wait on everyone else. I don't know why that is, but if I see a good book that I had on my list there and it's not on Kindle Unlimited, I'll skip all my other books and just go straight to that one because it's a limited time thing. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think my eye's swelling. My eye always swells after the gym. I don't get it. But ew, now I have something in my eye. Anyways. Yeah. I feel like this was a little bit uneventful. But there's nothing really around this hotel. Like, it's in a cute location. It's by some water, but there's nothing really walkable around here. So nothing we're interested in anyways. And is that thunder? It's Florida. Hold on, let's see. I don't even know if I showed y'all outside. I think I did. Maybe that was TikTok. Like I said, stuff just blends together. Looks kind of stormy out, huh? Yeah, I think it's gonna storm. The sky's so beautiful. I'm such a sucker for the sky. Oh, look over there. Like, look at that big angry cloud. Yeah, it's gonna storm. Sierra was going on a walk. I was like, well, let me know. I might go on the walk with you. I don't know if she'll be going on no damn walk. Look at this. Actually, let me see if she's texted me. So if not, I'll tell her, like, girl, I would not get caught out there. I'm texting her. I think I just heard thunder. LOL. All right, I will pick y'all back up when there's something else to report. Again, I'm going to warm my food up. I don't know what time. It's 3:48. Probably at like 5. Because I'm going to go to bed early. Because I have to be... My van pulls up and leaves at 5:05 a.m. So, yeah. I need to be going to bed now, basically. Okay, I'll chat with y'all soon. It's 4:40 in the morning. My alarm went off at 4 a.m. I'm so tired. this is nuts to be up at this hour and expect it to be a fully functioning human being. Okay, but nonetheless, we're up. I need to get dressed. My van, I have to be downstairs on the van ready to go at 5:05 a.m. So I'm gonna walk down at like 4:55, give myself like 10 minutes, somewhere in there. So, but I just want to come on and say good morning, and most likely close the vlog out. I'm not gonna vlog the rest of the day. I'm gonna be home by noon, and then most likely I'm gonna take a nap. So thanks for watching. If you made it this far, more vlogs to come. Sorry I took such a break, but like I said, I hadn't been doing anything in terms of work, like layover. So let me know if you are interested in me taking you around when I'm at home, shopping at home, cooking, that type of jazz, reading, all that, and whatever else you'd like to see. I don't really enjoy doing sit down videos that much, but I will if you guys want to see them. So anyways, let me know in the comments. Love you. Thank you so much for being here. See you in my next one.